Hi kids, it's me Sarah and I'm back with another story today. Today's story is called Were Bear by Sophy Henn. Now let me show you a little something you can do involving the polar bears, because that's what the bear in the story is. Let me show you. Okay, so for our Were Bear book, we're going to do a polar bear in the snow. Now you can trace around this bear, but I wanted to take this picture because he looks very happy in this one and he's in the snow. So I'm gonna copy that. You can copy mine if you want. So we're gonna copy his face. It doesn't have to be perfect, don't worry. Just gonna do his body.
It's not for me to say you love.
Again, then give him a smiley face.
You love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
And then we're gonna grab a black marker. You can put this away. And we're gonna go over the line.
go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's not for me to say.
Of course, ask an adult to help you if you need to.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
Can't forget his face. There we go. Now we're going to need some scissors and cut around the black line very carefully.
It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's not for me to say.
Now we're gonna get a blue paper and we're using glue. We're going to stick our bear on the blue paper. We're gonna put him in the middle.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's not for
And in our story, our bear is surrounded by snow in the Arctic. So, you're gonna get some white paint.
me to say.
I have some on my palette here. You're gonna grab a cotton bud. You're gonna dip the cotton bud in the white paint. And you're gonna do dots everywhere around our bear here. So So it looks like snow. Have fun with this, huh? Don't need to be perfect.
You know how we do. It's hard for me to say. Go with the brothers, boo. You know how we do.
And there we go. It's fine, I got a bit of a smudge there, it's fine. I look forward to seeing what you do, and I hope, and I want you to write your names down here and send it to us. I'll see you all next time. Bye!